Hello, Gauchos and Tigers. Here are your math notes for today, September 14th, 2020. Today we begin Module 1, Lesson 1. Your video agenda. 1. Math quote. 2. Objectives. 3. Vocabulary. 4. Notes. 5. Guided practice. Your quote for today. Sometimes what we call failure is really just that necessary struggle called learning. Objectives. I will label a place value chart and place the given digits in the correct place value, showing the power of 10 multiplied or divided. Pause and write this down. To be successful in today's lesson, you will need to label a place value chart from thousands to thousandths. You will place the given number in the correct place value. You will show the power of 10 more or less on a place value chart. You will interpret 10 times less as division and 10 times more as multiplication. Vocabulary. Power of 10. The number 1 followed by n zeros, where n is the exponent and is greater than 0. For example, 10 to the power of 6. That equals 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros because our exponent is 6. Once we've done that, we can count 3 and add a comma, count 3 and add a comma. So 10 to the 6th power equals 1 million. The next word is place value, or the value of each digit in a number. For example, 258. If I take this number and put it into a place value chart, the 2 goes in the hundreds place, the 5 goes in the tens place, and the 8 goes in the ones place. Now say I'm asking for the value of the 2. Because I'm asking for the value, I need to look at the place value. Therefore, the value of the 2 is 200 because the 2 is in the hundreds place. Pause this video and take your notes. Notes. The place value chart extends to infinity and beyond. Before today, we only knew to extend it to the left. The place value chart also extends to the right. The building blocks we need to know for our place value chart are million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. These should all be familiar as we've known this for a while, and they extend to the left. Starting today, we'll be working with decimals. So we have our decimal, and the extension to the right includes tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. To the left of the decimal is 1 or more in value. To the right of the decimal, it's less than 1 or a fractional value. 10 times less than a number, we would use the operation of division. So we would move the digit to the right. 10 times more than a number is the operation of multiplication, so we move the digit to the left. Numbers shift on the place value chart depending on the operation and how many zeros are on the power of 10. Pause and write this down. Say we're given the number 253.2 and I'm being asked to multiply by 10. Again, I'm multiplying, so if I look at my notes, it's 10 times more, and I'm going to move to the left because more means move to the left. And so, because it's 1 power of 10, meaning there's only 1 zero, every digit will move over just 1 place value, including the one that's after the decimal. So my new number becomes 2,500. 2,532. I still have a decimal, except now I'm going to add a placeholder 0. Or I can just write the number 2,532. Now say we have the same starting number, which is 253.2. But this time it's asking us to divide by 100. So divide means less, and 100 means 2 place values to the right, because it's getting smaller. And so I'm going to start with my furthermore number, which is the 2 in the tenths place. And I'm going to take it over 2 place values all the way to the thousands. That's 2 here, 3 here, 5 here, and 2 here. Therefore, my new number is 2.532, or 2.532 thousandths. Log on to Ms. Marquez's Zoom for guided practice. Thanks for watching. Remember, you're brilliant and you matter.